In today's video, I show you how to create a button in your Tableau dashboard using the navigation object. A simple but powerful feature that makes your dashboards more interactive. If you are new to Tableau or looking to level up your design, this guide is perfect for you. Before we start, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss future Tableau tips and tricks. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Tableau. Log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new. Once you're in, open your workbook. You can either use an existing project or start a new one. Both work perfectly for this tutorial. Now, go to the dashboard where you want to add your button. Take a look at the left side of your workspace. That's where the Objects pane is located. From here, find the navigation object. This is the key element that will help you create a clickable button for moving between dashboards or sheets. Simply drag and drop the navigation object onto your dashboard. You'll get two placement options, tiled or floating. Choosing tiled places it within your grid layout, while pressing and holding Shift as you drag allows you to place it as a floating object which can sit freely anywhere on your dashboard. Once the button is in place, you can customize it, change the text, color, or even add an icon to make it more visually appealing. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional navigation button in Tableau. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in user experience and dashboard flow. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Tableau tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.